Right now, in the United States, something big is happening, and most people don't even see it. AI is quietly replacing tasks, automating decisions, and reshaping high-paying industries. But here's what nobody tells you. AI is not destroying money, it's redirecting it. While millions of Americans are worried about losing jobs, a small group is building digital income streams using the same technology, and some of them are making more than engineers, lawyers, and corporate managers. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI side hustles that are realistically generating $1,000 to $5,000 per month in 2026. No hype, no fake guru nonsense, just leverage. And at the end, I will show you the one AI skill that pays more than most college degrees. Let's begin. The US job market is changing faster than ever before. Customer service, automated, marketing, automated, data analysis, automated, even parts of software development assisted by AI. But here's the difference between winners and losers in 2026. Losers fear AI. Winners use it. AI does not eliminate income, it eliminates inefficiency. And when inefficiency disappears, profits increase. The real question is simple. Are you going to compete against AI or are you going to compete with AI? This is exploding right now. Faceless channels, AI assisted scripts, AI voiceovers, AI editing workflows. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need a studio. You need systems, finance channels, AI news channels, motivation channels, history breakdown channels. Some of these are generating $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 per month. Why? Because attention is currency. And AI helps you produce content faster than ever. The key is niche clarity, not random uploads, focused, consistent, strategic uploads. 3 quality videos per week can outperform someone posting daily without strategy. Speed plus consistency equals leverage. 2 AI automation agency. This is where serious money lives. Small businesses in America are overwhelmed. They struggle with lead generation, appointment booking, email follow-ups, customer responses. AI can automate all of that. And most business owners have no idea how to set it up. If you understand basic AI workflows, you can charge $500 to $2,000 per client per month. Just 3 clients can replace a corporate salary. And the best part, you don't need to code. You need problem-solving ability. Businesses don't pay for AI, they pay for results. 3 AI content repurposing service creators are everywhere. Podcasts, YouTube channels, coaches, online educators, but most of them waste content. 1 long podcast can become 20 short videos. 1 YouTube video can become blog posts, Twitter threads, LinkedIn articles, email newsletters. And I can do this in minutes. You charge creators $800 to $1,500 per month. They save time. You build recurring income, low skill barrier, high demand. 4 AI digital products. Digital products are powerful. Ebooks, online courses, templates, prompt packs, digital planners. AI accelerates creation, but distribution creates income. Build once, sell repeatedly, no inventory, no employees, no physical limits. Americans spend billions every year on digital knowledge. The opportunity is not disappearing, it's expanding. 5, the high income AI skill. This is the one most people ignore. Prompt engineering, workflow design, AI integration strategy. Companies don't just need people who use ChatGPT. They need people who know how to structure instructions, optimize outputs, and integrate AI into business systems. This skill pays $70,000 to $120,000 per year in the US, sometimes more. And it doesn't require a traditional degree. It requires experimentation, curiosity, execution. Reality is not magic. It will not make you rich overnight, but it multiplies speed, and in 2026, speed equals income. The people who hesitate will say it's saturated. The people who act will say I'm early. Every major shift in history rewarded early adopters. The internet did, social media did, now AI will. AI is not stealing jobs, it's exposing skill gaps. If your value is repetitive, AI replaces you. If your value is strategic, AI amplifies you. The future is not human versus AI. It is human with AI versus human without AI. Choose carefully, because the next 5 years will decide who builds leverage and who complains about it. If you want more real strategies about AI, money, and online leverage, subscribe. We're just getting started.